In this video, I will show you how to crop an image to a shape in Canva. This is the example image I will be using. On the search bar, you want to type frame. This will bring up the frame shapes that you can use to insert your image. Select See All. Here, you can choose which frame you want to use as there are many variations. I will use the circle frame. Drag it into the blank canvas. Then, drag your image into the frame. You can resize the image as you wish. If you would like to adjust which part of the image you want in the frame, select the crop icon. Then you can adjust the image to where you want to fit in the frame. You can also rotate it. Once you are happy with it, select Done. If you want a different image in the frame, you can right-click and select Detach Image, and it will be detached.